You can usually tell within 2 seconds whether a layout was built by a beginner or someone who understands composition. Today, how to create professional collage structures. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Start by inserting multiple rectangular frames in different sizes and arrange them in a balanced but slightly asymmetrical composition. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting crops carefully for consistency and focus. Select the background and apply a muted gradient using warm gray, beige, or charcoal tones. Duplicate the largest frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create subtle layered depth. Add thin